Hey everyone, Elise from the Paint and Brush & Co. So I've got this hat stand and it's a little bit dull, a little bit boring, so I want to make it a little bit more exciting. So we're going to zazz it up with some Mont Marte gold leaf, maybe a copper leaf as well. We'll see what I'm in the mood for when I get to that part. But to begin with, we're going to apply the leaf sizing all over this. The leaf sizing is a glue and it's going to make sure that leaf sticks to our piece. So other than a quick clean, I haven't done any other prep. You can just apply your glue straight on and then we'll go in with our leaf. Okay, so our glue is on and it goes tacky. It doesn't dry immediately, it goes really tacky and you do have quite a long work time. So I've done this whole top section. I'll do the very base. I'll put it up on a table and do the very base, a little bit easier. But I've done all the top section, so now we get to pick our leaf. Leaf comes in heaps of different colors. I stock 3 and these are the 3 that I use the most. So we've got gold, good old gold leaf. We've got silver and we've got copper. Now, these are super easy to use. Be warned, you are gonna have it everywhere. It's just how this works. But for something like this, I can literally I'm gonna take a whole sheet and I'll wrap it around and stick it on and you can keep moving it and patting it. You do wanna have a spare brush on hand, preferably one that you don't really use for paint, just because the glue is going to get stuck to it. The gold leaf or the leaf is going to get stuck to it as well. So just keep that in mind. You just want to use a brush that's just for your gold leafing to brush away the excess. But it's a little bit of a process, but it is so well worth the effort. Now, if you find as you're going that you've missed anywhere with your glue, you can keep applying it as you go as well. You can do the whole section like what I've just done. This really isn't that big, so it's fine like this. If it was a big piece though, I would definitely do a section at a time. So I'm gonna use the copper leaf today. So I'm gonna open it up and I'll show you what it's all like. So there's 25 sheets in these ones. And definitely keep your packaging unless you're gonna use the whole pack straight away, or a Ziploc bag or something, just so you can put it away. So they come on these little pads, which makes it really, really easy. And once you peel up that top sheet, this is the copper that you're going to get. So each sheet is separated by like a little protective sheet. So we're gonna take a sheet at a time, we're gonna stick it on and brush off the excess. Keep pulling it off. You can use those little bits that you brush off. You can use all those little bits to fill in any gaps. So keep them on hand, have a little table or something next to you that you can put them onto as well. Let's apply our copper leaf.